Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Finally, we are back to the unboxings now. This is coming from a long, far, far place. Coming from all the way from Guangdong, China. Hopefully I pronounced it right. Sorry if I don't. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm definitely excited to see what it is. And you guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below. In case I do have any discount codes, it'll be in the description. Give this video a thumbs up. Hope everyone had a good day so far. It is Wednesday. Oh boy, it's been a long day. Mailman was not happy though with these unboxings. Oh boy. I see something you guys might want. Oof. Should have definitely put it in the but for shipping costs, so hopefully nothing else got damaged. But these boxes are pretty tough. Digital satellite receiver, HD DVD DVB, GT Media V8. Ooh, this is power. This has some power. GT Media. Shout out to you guys. Awesome stuff on the web. And like I said, YouTubers, take advantage. Cut those bills in half. Don't have to deal with those freaking commercials. Unlimited fun. Unlimited boredom. So many great shows out. Started to watch the Mayans. Always watch the Ballers. You can go back and forth to like watch Entourage. I believe there's gaming on this. So many cool features on this thing. No manual. So I might have to go in my room and do a whole set. Alright, I could do that. Actually, I could take this down on the projector and set this thing up. I could do that. But right now, this is the unboxing. Stay tuned for the full review setup, I do believe. But I won't show no passwords. There won't be no ads on this video in case it is a long one. I demonetize them all. It's a lot easier doing it this way. So you guys don't worry, no ads will be popping up. Comes with a nice little cable, the power. Got the juice right here, right there. We got a nice little HDMI's. Whoa, look at this controller. This is something different. And I do got AAA, so you guys want to stock up on some batteries. I think I bought a 100-pack for like under 20 bucks for the Amazon Basics, so they got some really good deals on Amazon for batteries. Really nice, soft. TV mode, TV RD, find, search, YouTube. Shout out to YouTube. PG, sub, timer, record, IPTV. Can't even talk today. It's been a long day, guys. So thank you guys for sticking with me. Yep, it'll be AAA's. I got a couple of those because I'm gonna need to get started. Same way. I mean, these are the 100-pack I bought. We got the brick. So I'm definitely gonna open these up. And you guys might want to stock up on those just in case, but I'm sure the battery life will be good on the controller. Depends on how much you use it also, so. We got the stacks. We got the brick. I'm not sure why they have manuals with the batteries. That's kind of weird. It's like, come on now. But we got, oh, they got a lot in here. Got the two basics. Two legit. Right. There we go. 1, 2. I see you. Let me get there. Oh, and then going right. Oh, here we go again. Put the batteries in. See? Bada boom. And then. Oh, come on. Yeah, definitely, when I do the demo, I gotta be careful with the passwords with the Bluetooth or the router Wi-Fi. So that would be a little bit bleeped out. Other than that, like I said, no commercials. Everything's good. And here we go. Okay, we got that. We got that. Let's take a look. Oh, I'm going to take everything out now because, like I said, I'm going to hop downstairs to the cave or dungeon and set this up on the big screen. So we shall see how this thing runs and everything. But like I said, I can't show video quality and stuff like that. That'll probably be on the Instagram. But like I said, video is different. Audio is hit or miss. But as long as I'm not stealing the whole song, even though for picture quality on here I can't show it because I could still get flagged, get punished. So, oh, nice little device. Look at the color. We got the blue, the baby blue. No, no blue. Take these off. Final boom. Alright. It's like a cable box, like the old school ones. And we got the DC power Ethernet USB. Not sure what that is. RS232. Is that audio? HD line. No optical. Boo. That's alright though. We got that DVD. We got the V8 power. Like I said, it's really lightweight. Almost see right inside of it. Peekaboo. I'm going to set this down. I'm going to take this downstairs. User manual. We got that comes with. Let's see what the good features it got. Control. That's all it says. Okay, here we go. Stream key features. High definition. STB decoder. Full HD 1080p. Output HD. Hybrid tuner for DVB S2. I think that's what that weird stuff was. SCPC and MCPC receivable. Oh, so CKUV and satellite. One USB Wi-Fi supported. Whoa. 10,000 channel TV and radio programs. 32 different favorite group selections. Holy moly, this is a beast. Oh, so you can hook it up to your TV box also. Connection. Stream, good stuff. Media Center. TMedia Network. Alright. So that's pretty much easy to set up, and I'll show you guys in a few. Alright, I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are down in my dungeon. I got it hooked up to my HD projector. Got HDMI set up right there, easy plug in. Back here, there's a switch. Clip that on. I think my projector needs to be turned on. Hopefully it works. There we go. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it hooked up now. Got it on HDMI side 1. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand. But we'll get it. We'll see what it is. Satellite list. Why is the remote not working? Oh, that's what it looks like on the front. So I'll go on the side. See the functions. We got multi-search. Oh. Here we go. TV. Pay-per-view. Come on. Why is the remote not working? Should just go down to the bottom one. For some reason, it's not going through. This is really nice. Come on. Maybe I'm not at the right. Oh, there we go. My bad. My fault. It's been a long day. So we got the setting, network. Back button. Where's the back button? Go on YouTube. You guys want YouTube? Just press the button. Active. There's all this stuff you can hook it up to. Wi-Fi. All that. Confirm. Exit. Active. I'll set that up all later. So definitely cool. Another new streaming device out there. Check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. You guys have a good night. Be safe out there, and see you guys soon. See ya.